In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MongoDB to N8N. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to N8N and log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, we want to go ahead and click on Create Workflow. Then from here, we can go ahead and change out the workflow name. So for this, I'm just going to call this MongoDB. And then from here, we need to go ahead and add a first step. So click on the plus icon and then search nodes and then type in Mongo. Here it is here, MongoDB. So now choose a trigger or an action to connect MongoDB. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and select aggregate documents. Now from here, a little pop-up will appear. Then it will say credential to connect with, and then click on the drop down, click on create new credential. So now you want to go ahead and fill this out. So choose your configuration type, localhost, your database, your user, password, port, and if you want to use TLS, you can. So just go ahead and fill this out, click save, and then that's going to connect MongoDB to N8N.